How to buy Brawl Pass with Apple Pay. In today's video, I will show you how to buy the Brawl Pass in Brawl Stars using Apple Pay. So first, start by opening the Brawl Stars app in your iPhone or iPad. From the main menu, tap on Brawl Pass option typically on the left side of your screen. Choose the Pass option if you want to buy from the available choices. Tap to purchase and payment screen will appear. Apple Pay should automatically show if you have set it up from your device. Double check that Apple Pay is selected as your payment option. To finalize, double click the side button on your iPhone for Face ID or use Touch ID if applicable. Once the payment is complete, your Brawl Plus will be active and you're ready to start collecting rewards. And that's it. You have successfully bought your Brawl Pass with Apple Pay. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.